Welcome back to Love is Crafting.
Love is crafting.
So I hope you enjoyed our week of holiday gifts.
Yeah, this week we brought to you 5 DIY projects that you can use as gifts that all came from the Dollar Tree.
Yes, and in this video, we will review all 5 gifts that we did this week and give you a synopsis of it, but don't forget, we will have a link to each video in detail so you can review those as well.
Yeah, definitely. So make sure that you go ahead and like,
comment,
and subscribe.
Love is Crafting.
Love is crafting. DIY. We are going to be making a gift out of socks. I don't know if you've seen, but there's been this trend of these cute little cupcake designs made out of socks. So we're gonna try it today. What we are using today is, I'm using 4 pair of fuzzy Dollar Tree Christmas themed socks. I have the little pom-poms, these dot adhesives, cupcake papers, some ribbon, and this is a square cake pan. And this is what we're gonna put them in.
Today we have a project. We are going to make an ornament. What we're gonna need is some floral foam and this cone pattern, and some garland, probably some hot glue, and I am gonna do this with my own little flair, so I'm gonna use a box cutter and a Sharpie. Let's see what happens.
This DIY tree ornament with the Mario theme came out so good and will make the perfect gift. Today's DIY, we are going to be making candles using the melt and pour method. And we are going to be using these adorable holiday mugs so that we can use them as gifts. We have our mugs. I went ahead and I got these these candles. I got these 5 candles from the Dollar Tree, and the cups came from the Dollar Tree as well. These are unscented candles, so they're gonna be great to use. And we have our pot that we're gonna use today. Let's jump right into it. These DIY melt and pour candles turned out amazing, and they were so easy. You gotta try it.
Let's go ahead and just get started. We just got a stemless wine glass, some glitter, tape, some Mod Podge. They sell it this way, and they also have the dishwasher safe Mod Podge, which is also a great option, and a paintbrush.
Working with glitter is definitely a challenge, but I think this cup came out pretty good. It's very real, it's not perfect. In this project, we will be using the Dollar Tree Elves and our Cricut. Now, if you don't have a Cricut, don't worry, you can still do this DIY. You'll just need to use some puffy paint to do the customization. And if you have terrible handwriting like me, just use a stencil. It'll still turn out really cute. I've already designed the images that we're going to be putting on the elf in the Cricut design space. And so all we need to do now is weed. Because all we're doing is customizing these elves, they were really easy and quick to make, and they make the perfect gift. So thanks for watching, and remember, love is crafting.